How to use Trello for personal task management. Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. While Trello works well for planning high level team projects, its versatility makes it just managing its smaller day to day tasks too. There's no one size fits all approaches when there's no one size fits all approach when using Trello for this purpose. But we have gathered some commonly used methods that you can follow or modify to fit your workflow. Kanban boards are a great way to visualize your work and see how it flows from start to finish. Let's go to the Kanban template. And when it comes to digital Kanban software in particular, Trello seems to be the de facto choice, with many companies praising its flexibility and ease of use. If you have got a lot of work to do on a weekly basis, having one central location for your tasks will make them easier to keep track of. The idea of a weekly to do list is simple. Create one personal Trello board with multiple lists and each one corresponding to the time of the week when you will work on your task. This could be today, tomorrow, this week, and the essential done. Now, as you can see, I have a lot to do in this week. I have to upload some illustrations and design for my clients, and there are many other designs that I have to do. And currently, I am very occupied with some of my designs that I have put in my doing list. Now, as you plan for the next day or next week, move the cards from tomorrow to today, but try to keep your to-do list as much as possible, so you don't end up taking on too many tasks and missing anything that is crucial. Like from the doing section, I want to do the video call with my LU client later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my card from here and put it in the test list. Now I have a smaller list of what I'm doing right now, so I will feel a little bit ease because I have not much to do right now. If you have a large task, if you have a large task, you can always break it down into smaller steps by creating one or more checklists within a single card. Anything you're currently working on will be stored into your doing list. Use next actions for concrete tasks that you need to do whenever you get the chance. Someday, or maybe is for some things that you want to tackle and have the time for now. Places to visit, passion projects, or new skill to learn. Now, as we go for testing, if it's something that requires further action from others before you can proceed, or you have to wait for an approval, then place it into under pending. So now we are going to create a pending list from here so that we can put some list of what for another approval from our team. When organizing your cards, provide any additional context that will help. Set due dates and reminders for tasks that need to be done at a specific time. Like I have 5 business cards to do and one flyer, so I have to do it from this Adobe stock. So I have put an additional description from here, and my time is 29th March at a specific time. Attach any supplementary files and use labels to categorize your work, and some common ways to name your labels is priority, time it takes, energy levels. Now, writing a to do list is very easy. Deciding what to do is hard, especially when everything feels like top priority. If this sounds familiar, you might benefit from using the Eisenhower matrix, a method for prioritizing tasks based on urgency and importance to ensure that you are always working on the right stuff. For now, we are going to explore some templates that will help you throughout your personal task management. Just go to your template section and tap on explore templates. At the left side, you will find a lot of different templates that you can use. And as this is for a personal task management, I will go for education here, or I can also go for design because I'm a designer myself. But for now, let's just go on education. And when I am going to the education, you can see many type of education templates here like remote class template, academic literature review, weekly planning, plan your studies, learn a language. So we are just going to tap any of the random templates which can be learn a language, then tap on use template. Now as you tap on use template, you will have to put a title for the board you are creating. So it will be called education purpose. And then it is going to be Trello workspace, keep cards, keep template cards, and then tap on create. And as you can see, there are this perfect list of to do, doing, done, to learn, learned, and the other attachments that is attached from the boards. You can also use these boards to establish a great task management for yourself. And I highly suggest you to use the Kanban template or any kind of template related to your that is related to your work purpose. And you can always find the designed templates on the Trello board or on the Trello. You can always find different types of template on Trello template sections. So explore that out. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.